In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add due dates in Trello. By the end, you'll know exactly how to attach a clear deadline to any card and set a timely reminder so nothing slips through the cracks. First, open the card you want to track. You can do this from any board or list. Just click the card to bring up its details. On the right side of the card, look for the Options menu and select Select Dates. This opens Trello's date picker, where you can assign when the work should be finished. Choose the due date from the calendar, making sure it lines up with your project timeline. Picking a specific day helps your board stay organized and gives everyone a shared target. Next, add precision by setting a time. In the same dates window, you'll see a time field next to the date. Enter the exact time the task needs to be completed. Setting a time is helpful when your team needs a handoff by midday or a deliverable before close of business. If you're coordinating across time zones, choose a time that works for the people responsible, so the reminder arrives at a practical moment in their day. Now set a reminder to make sure Trello nudges you at the right moment. You'll see notification options such as at time of due date or a certain amount of time beforehand, like 10 minutes, 1 hour, or 2 hours before. Pick the lead time that matches the task's complexity. For quick tasks, a short heads up might be enough. For bigger tasks, choose something earlier, like a day in advance, so you can prepare without last-minute stress. Trello will send the alert through its notification system, and if you use the mobile app or email notifications, you'll see it there as well. When you're done, confirm your selections to apply the due date, time, and reminder. You'll notice the due date badge appear on the front of the card, making it easy to scan your list and see what's coming up. As the deadline approaches, Trello will visually highlight it, and if a task goes past due, it's clearly marked so you can prioritize it quickly. That's all there is to it. Open a card, choose dates, set your due date and time, and add a reminder that works for you. Using these simple settings brings clarity to your workflow, helps your team stay aligned, and ensures important tasks never get lost in the shuffle. Try adding due dates to a couple of cards right now, and you'll immediately see how much easier it is to plan and deliver on time.